now watching Active TV. It's your boy Jizzle on the.
AKA, in case you don't know, Life and Daro representing Active TV.
Nyadino, Active TV no number 1. Gambia music ni lafta keso.
Lincoln for Active TV from Gambia.
Active TV, mbe kontona bage.
Yo, you already know it's your boy C-Boy out of Salerno. Shout out to Active TV. You guys are doing great.
Active TV nyale bele la dogu kenda mota ji fire bomb man katun ko nyone tela.
King Patana having the cut representing for Active TV. Make sure no active on that. Don't deactivate it, you know.
Hello my wonderful subscribers, this is Active TV again for another review. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Mbadimulu Active TV la natale nam ko teke pour kana kudo fana jube. Alkana nyina ale subscribe channel otoning atara man subscribe. Alien notification bell fana click pour ni video nata wato wati. Alsa jeno nyameng. Alkana nyina ale bulang noma Instagram acctive.tv. Facebook fanan bijele ACTIVE space TV. Today I am here to review the sad news, the very sad news that occurred at the Gambiana album launching December 7 at the Independence Stadium Bakau. Madimulu bin natale ko mi yalan ko kibaro mi yalan ko ani ko ya wara ba tale at the Independence Stadium moto ST yala ala Gambiana album launch dameng kule keta jemi yalan ko ani ko ya wara ba tale usuto bin nata pour ko lay tandala mbadi wolo dinde wala fota ni wala Abdou Karim Sow wala fota ni wala
ñun tamit ñun fans club bi lañ so dañ diga dej so ñun on behalf of ST lu mën di happen dañ dé try nga ñu make so even mom si bopam nekku fa ñun ñu dem represent ko fofu nonu so dej bi ñun démba ci suba lañ koy after buñ éwé man dama éw ma ñëw ñu ne ma ne am na dëj bu am ñuuta so man bu ma waxee loolu rek ma taal sama mobile bi ma fekka foofu gars seen miss call yi ma call Aminata benn jàng bu nekk fii si bokk si fans club bi ma laajte ko mu ne ma ne am na xale bu gaañu suñ kër waaye ñu ne si suuf bi la gaañu ma ne ko ok ma pare moom ma call ST si boppam mu ne ma ne moom tamit yëg na ko waaye mu ngi jógee précalement su busy wute dina fi agsi mooy démba waaye although moom si boppam mënu koo make because mu ngi busy si suuf la jógee so ñu understand loolu noonu démba ñu lañ fi gisee ak paa bi ñu waaw moom so ñu laajte ko about even bi burial bi mun nañu ne information bu gaay am rek dinañu ko wax ñu ne ko ok so ñu dellu tey si suba maa doon communiquer ak gaay so right now ñoom seen bopp sax ñu si yoon bi di ñëw.
What Abdoulaye Camara is explaining here is that this happened on the 8th of December. The incident happened on the 7th of December at the Independence Stadium, Bakau. He said he woke up on the 8th of December early in the morning. He got an information that one boy lost his life at the Independence Stadium at the Gambiana launching in Bakau. Mbadiolu, boy nyimba mun explain kanjang Abdoulaye Camara. Aka wultale somanda wala keta December karo til saidi nyunko keta til wora wulale aka til sai bra wulda aka kibaro soto ko iko dindindole fada Independence Stadium moto ila program bla. Then he said he took his phone to call one lady called Aminata, who is also part of the Union ST. Then the man says that Aminata also confirmed the story that what happened is the reality. Someone lost his life at the Independence Stadium. Bakau aka Aminata nata tonya nda komi tonya ya mumfo iko wala keta ako mano nyinko anata ST call abra ST call ako ST ko abe busy rene abra program wala abe busy rene bare ako timo wale taje so mano nyinko ako han ST mantari je ni tel futata je wrong is all the same. The man says ST says he was busy. He was not able to make it, but he told the fan club and the Union ST to present there at Abdou Karim's compound. Mbadi won bandel miro fe ST han ayatar mum busy le lata kan. Ndel miro fe han ayatar muneketa ST nyanta katala le ay futa nyin blata fa nyanta ka futa jere ko nyin ya long wato muna. Ndel miro fe, this is my personal opinion. What I think is that ST should be physically present at that moment but ST says he was busy. I don't know what he was up to. This is my own opinion. I think that ST should be present, but things went this way. Alangalama mung follow kada.
Pour fii nga so moom even su ñëw dee sax ñun mi fans club bi try nañ ñëw represent ko fii because even su nekkutee ñun moom du dem so nga préparé xale bi nu mu bon a bon sax ñun fii suñu fi ñëwee most of the time comme ñoom minuñ ma daal waaye am na ñoo xam ne xamante naa gars yi fii xale bi si boppam man tey si suba bu ma gisee picture am laa xam ne waaw xale bu ñu wax Saludo moo nekk nii.
The man says even if ST was not present, he says if they are there to represent ST is all the same. Mano nyinko akhan ST mantarije akoni telbije purka ST represent akabe kilim ako samo anata pabi nyinkol anata fay ko bade ko pour dino nyin iba bade la nyameng akani pabi nata diam Abdou Karim Sow fama akana nata diam wala ako ST fombe silo kantene bri benying diamo kala ako ST fombe silo kane ST fombe takan jere, which is a very good thing ST did. The man says if ST is not there but they were there to represent ST and Union ST. He says he also talked with the father of Abdou Karim Sow to organize how they will do the burial so that the ST, Union ST and the fan club can be available, can be there to share this sad moment, the burial with the family.
Now ne moom tamit fan la waaye soo gisee tamit loolu yëpp happen because comme niñ ko explainer lu ma ko déggee fekkee ma ko de waaye niñ ko waxee si security side bi la parce que dangaa gis ne yow nga ñëw am loo ticket pour dugga nga dégga ñu ne soo demee bunta bale di nga fekka foofu ñu ne comme nga fay $10 wala $25 nga dugga nga foofu ngay rek instead of fay dem fale nga fay $200 so noonu la fa demee nga ñëw soldat bi mu ne la ne soo fayee $50 nga ñaayee fii.
Very important point, very very sad. Mano nyimba mumfokam ako tiketo kasang bundala kodo muna ako bari sojarol security biye security mu yalon ko ye jole team ST ye jole pour yede do ko wala je bari de fanal kana kodo mutam mol bulu igafu mole ko $50 ni adina mbe bulala ye jompi nyim fensola yeta, which is very very sad. What the man is explaining here, if this is the reality, then our security men are very very greedy. Ning atare abumum fokang walam tonyate, because if the ticket is $200, you tell someone give me $50 so that you can climb over the fence. You don't even know if the person can be able to climb over the fence. You don't know what will happen to him. If this is the reality, to be honest, our security services, our security men, we need reform, to be honest.
Anga wudi nga fay pour dem because wudi nga sa bopane di nga mëna ñaay so non la fa déwé so ñu né dafa ñaay dafa yé daw ma jom fess bi ñew ci ka so ñun loolu def ñu naari torop ba nga duñ ci mëna blame kenn because suñu soda so ñun suñu déggé loolu non war nañu ross ñoo mit family bi nga waxtaan ak gaay so non la fa ñun loolu mo ñu fi indi tay because naarte la ci ñun.
Very sad. Mbadi ulu bari jandi nyin sobe kala ST birkama bo a press conference kele ala press conference do journalist ol ya nyin karo mi yalon ka kumaya ta bagel e kay ko security. What are you planning for the security? Because mo be yalon ko ST la nyin programo mo be siala je bagel. But what was his response? ST ye jabiro gamuna ako security mo betaraje maximum security ako le betarlaje ako security bo bala man sakunda la karolale ani private security final binale. But what happened here tonya ning other ST mum fo keta wala nyama, I don't think it will happen comme ala la kerolong ala na mum nakita mun na mum ka kunoje. But this is lack of security if what they are telling us here is the reality. What the man is explaining here is that this is a lack of security because the security men on the ground were asking for money, $50 to let the people climb over the fence which is a very, very bad thing. What ST told us during his Gambiana album launching press conference, he told us that there will be a maximum security. If what ST told us is the reality, if that is what happened at the Independence Stadium, December 7, I don't think this will happen. It's all God. Only God decides. Only God knows what will happen. But to be honest, if there is a maximum security, I don't think this will happen. Brikama bo fan safero kele ala social media platform oldo kaitandi ko dinne mom fata Abdou Karim Sow akoy futata la wululal male pour iniye suno nyintala ako mol mul fanal baramata itate jubele ka jube ibenyadi. ST posted on his social media platforms that he was very, very sad, and he have also visited the family of Abdou Karim Sow to share this sad moment with the family, which is a very, very good move. Mbadiolo ST la nyimbede ata ba kela munkiten ka mol kalamuta mol mi yalon ko wale niyo botata la koto to mol mi yalon ko wale batata la koto mol mi yalon ko wale baramata la koto ayo hakilo mun soto wo hakilo bete ata bakele but ST futata je wati jumale wala nyinen karoti ndala miro fe ST nyanda ka futa je bring ko nyin keta lumen han ata mun BCC fa lata kan, but this is my own personal opinion. Mbadi wolo wala be kering bi ngolo sotalie bari namiro fanan ST amanya na akela jubero damanti amanya na ka futema dron ke jube be nyaadile ndala miro fe ST nyanda tralale ay fanan provide ye because ngalo na cool mantal sonaring ni baramata Gambia pour jararo suda ko kolale ni fata pour dimbale lo munkula ko la ni ku jama aga kolaya bakele wodo mafala Brikama boy han aya tarata siala aya kata ay kodindindi nyilla ifana se famma ko no nyameng Abdou Karim Sow alman ni manin kafar kelae dindi wala mi yalon ko nabalu ta tonya askeno abita kala kuleti dunia balu ko no ase mo jama na fano dunia kono mbafala la mol fana ko in sabarota because dunia balu la bo nyama alala ka dimu di mola alala ka dimu ta mogul. Active TV review.